Hello everyone, this is Talir Priya of ECEC. My roll number is 20BQ1A04G6. Today's my seminar topic is about string methods. The text processing involves many different operations on strings. There are large number of useful string methods. They are count, find, index, is alpha, is digit, is lower, is upper, lower, upper, split, join, center, replace, and strip, ends with, start with. Now let us discuss them in one by one. The first one is count. The syntax for this count is string name, count, string value, start, end. Here str value is which is required value to search for. Start is an optional parameter which is an integer. The position at which starts with 0. By default its take value 0. The end is the optional parameter which is an integer. The option at which the search ends default is end of the string. Let us discuss what is count. Count is a method which returns the number of times specific value appeared in the string. Let us take an example. String is equal to hello world. Here string count, string of double L. In this string, the double L is occurred one time, so it gives output 1. Double quote 1. In this L occurred 3 times. At the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 8 indexes. So it prints 3 times. And in third example, string 1 starts end and ends with 0. In this L occurred only one time, that is R after R. So the count gives number of times the specific value appeared in the string. The second one is find. This method finds the first occurrence position of specific value. If the value is not found, it returns 0. For example, let us take hello world, hello welcome to my world. In this string find E. It occurs at second one index, so it prints 1. And the next one is string find E starting from 5 and end with 10. It finds at the place of 8, so it prints 8. And string find Z. In this string there is no Z, so it gives output -1. The next one is index. This method finds the index of first occurrence of specific value. It specified the value is not found in the string. It rises to the value error. Let us take an example. The string is hello welcome to my world. String index E. The first letter is 1. First index is 1, so it returns 1. The string index E starts with 5 and 10. So it's at the value of E at 8th index. So it prints 8. And string index Z. It is not found in this string, so it gives default. That is error. The difference between find and string is in find, if the letter is not found, it gives return value -1. Whereas in index, it gives value error. The fourth one is alpha. The method returns true if all characters in a string are alphabet letters, otherwise false. Example, string is equals to company. String dot is alpha. In this company, all are alphabets, so it gives true. In the next example, company 10. Here 10 is a numerical value, so it gives output false. The Fifth one is digit. It returns true if character in a string is a digit, otherwise false. Example, the first example, string 520013. String dot is digit is true because it is a numerical, whereas hello 520013 is false because it includes alphabets. The difference between is alpha and is digit is it gives true value. There is numericals. There is no numericals. It gives true value. There is numericals. The next one is lower. This method returns true if all characters are in lowercase, otherwise false. Number of symbols and spaces are not checked, only alphabet characters. Example, A is equals to hello world, B is equals to hello 123, C is equals to my name is Peter. First, A dot is lower. In these, there are lowercase letters and uppercase letters, so it gives false. In B, hello 123, there are only lowercase letters, so it gives true. And in case of C, my name is Peter, it gives false. In third case, here P is the capital letter, so it is in uppercase, so it gives false output. Is upper. It returns true if all the letters are in uppercase letters. Example, A is equals to hello world. Here some are capital and some are small, so it gives output false. Whereas B is equals to hello 123. Here are lowercase letters, so it gives false. C, my name is Peter, all are uppercase letters, so it gives true. Lower. This method returns string where all characters in a lower case numbers are ignored. In these, A is equals to hello my friends. It converts uppercase letters to lowercase letters. Whereas upper, it converts uppercase letters into lowercase letters into uppercase letters. If it includes numerical values, it does not. Numbers are ignored. The 10th one is split. This method splits string into list of items. The syntax for this is string name dot split separation max splitter. Separation, which is an optional, specifies the separator to use when splitting the string. By default, any white spaces is a separator. Max split, which is an optional specifier how many splits to do. Default is -1, which is all occurrence. Let us take an example. A is equals to welcome to the world. A dot split. Here it splits. We not entered anything, so it defaultly takes spaces. So it brings welcome one string, to one string, the one string, world one string. Let us look into third example. C split hash apple, banana, cherry, orange. C dot split hash 1. In these, it gives output apple, banana, hash cherry, hash orange. The next one is joint. This method takes all items iterable, that is list, tuple, etc. that joins them into a one string. Example, data is equals to hello us list of hello my friends. In this joint dot data, it gives output hello my string as single string. Now the 12th one is center. The center is a method which aligns the string used a specific character as a fill character. Examples, string is equals to banana. In this center 20, 0. It brings output as this. The syntax is string name dot center length comma fill character. In this 20 is the length and 0 is the character, so it prints 0 and at the ending, at the starting and ending, at the center it prints the string. The next one is replace. The method replace a specific phrase with another specified phrase. Example syntax is string name replace old value new value count. Example, A is equals to I like apples. Now A dot replace apples with banana. So it gives, in the place of apples it prints banana. So I like bananas. In B, I like these apples, like to eat one more apple. In this, apple replace banana in place of one, that is count 1, only once. So it prints I like this banana, and in case of second it won't take banana, it takes only apple. In case of third example, we should not mention any count, so it print I like this banana, like to eat one more banana. The 14th one is strip. The method removes any leading spaces at the beginning and trailing spaces at the ending characters. Space is default leading characters to remove in the string. Example, A is equals to banana. It's a strip. It removes these spaces and prints banana. The 15th one is ends with. The method returns true if the string ends with the specific value, otherwise false. The syntax is string name ends with value start end. Example, string hello world. Hello, welcome to my world. String ends with world. So it ends with world. So it is true. So it becomes, it gives output true. The string ends with world 5 to 11. It gives output false. And the final one is string starts with. This method returns true if string starts with the specific value, otherwise it gives false. Example, string hello, welcome to my world. String starts with hello, it starts with hello, so it's bring true value. Thank you, one and all.